It's time now for a WeLearn update, a look at how teachers and students are using technology in the classroom. I'm Nick VOLL. The new Ogden Elementary is open for business, and one of the school's many highlights is its makerspace. Joining us now to explain is Amanda Richter. Amanda, what exactly is a makerspace?
Thanks. A makerspace is where students go to get hands-on instruction and new strategies to solve problems. It's also where they go to have fun. Throughout the day at Ogden Elementary, teachers bring their classes to Rob Harsch's makerspace.
Makerspace is a place where kids can come and tinker and explore and really kind of figure out who they are as a hands-on learner.
Today's challenge for these 5th graders: to build something with exactly 5 Legos, take it apart, and write instructions for someone else on how to make the exact same thing. It's a lesson in computational thinking.
It allows the kids to see that if they follow a sequential pattern or a series of steps, that they can figure out something that's a problem.
In the makerspace, Mr. Harsch challenges students to rethink thinking.
He asked if we think that our brains work like computers. I said no. He was like, actually, they do. And I was like, what?
Like computers, our brains are constantly solving problems, whether we're aware of it or not.
It's very weird to think of my brain as a computer. I always thought that it just like, that I would just think about something and then just do it, but apparently that's not what happens. It's just like a slower computer.
Like a computer, sometimes the best way to get your brain working right is to shut it off and back on. For students, that means a trip to the makerspace.
It gives your mind a reset, and it really helps.
Here, students learn how to employ logic and creativity.
I want kids to be able to come into the makerspace and look at a problem from a whole series of different angles, and that there isn't just one way to solve a problem, and that we also work best when we collaborate and we share those ideas of a problem.
The real results of the makerspace are seen in the classroom, where students use computational thinking to tackle math, science, and other academic problems.
Encompass them around the standards and say, here's what you need to do, but I want you to be able to do it in a way that shows me you're learning, but at the same time they're having fun because they're engaged in something that they're really passionate about.
The concept of makerspaces may seem new, but really they've been around forever. When you were a kid, maybe it was shop class or home ec. The modern makerspace is broader in what happens inside, but the fundamentals are similar. Back to you.
Thank you, Amanda. And if you want to see more stories about classroom technology and how it's shaping learning in Vancouver Public Schools, check out the district's YouTube page. That's youtube.com/VanSDTV. Just look for the WeLearn playlist. And since you're obviously on social media, why not connect with Vancouver Public Schools? We're on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Nick VOLL.